How to get and use Temu credit balance. I'm going to tell you how to get Temu credit balance and how to use it. Temu credits are basically store credit that you can earn through refunds, promotions, or referral bonuses. If you return an item and choose refund to Temu credit, the amount goes straight to your credit balance. You can also earn credit by inviting friends through Temu referral programs, playing in-app games, or receiving compensation for shipping delays or product issues. Now, to use your Temu credit, just shop like normal. When you check out, you'll see your available credit listed as a payment option. It's applied automatically. If not, you can tap or click Temu credit at checkout to toggle it on. The credit is deducted before any other payment method is charged. You can't withdraw it as cash, but you can stack it with coupons and discounts.